Mary. We are glad to see you here. This verse shows what we have learned in some sessions in your English subject, English 2 Basic Conversation Development. Our teacher is Jonia Miriam Valdespino Muñoz. The name of this pedagogic una disculpa, games to learn vocabulary in a reading class for telesecundaria students. The objective of this project is to develop different activities where students can learn and memorize vocabulary by playing a target game which has been developed for use in order to achieve the class goal. The first team will present their activity Carla Guadalupe Pérez Obando and Wilber López Herín.
Welcome everybody. We are Carla, my partner, and me Wilber of the second semester of LEA. This is a pedagogical sample 2022. In this presentation, we have one activity in English class. The first, we have reading. The reading is an article, and the second is the strategies activities. The first is a vocabulary, and then WH question, and the final is true or false question. This is a job of the teacher, okay? And the final, you can use again, for example, flashcard, something like that. Or you can use other game like sub-letters or memory cards, something like that, I don't know. This is a presentation. In this presentation is the article. The article all is in English, obviously. But the student can use two strategies. What strategies? Scanning and skimming. In one strategy you can read the article, for example, Alex is American boy, he lives in Los Angeles, shalala, shalala, shalala. But in this strategy, you need to find information like people, Alex, like David, Ima, and other people. But you can find places and activities. But the second strategy, you can find a specific information in the article. For example, he is 11 years old. This is a specific, but it's the age of Alex. All in the article. These are strategies. This is example. Normally, this in white, yeah. But habits are in the article. Do homework, have breakfast, take a shower, catch the bus, go home, sleep, and watch TV. But if you can choose the strategy, you can use habit for you. For example, play guitar, play football or soccer, it's the same other things or other habits. And the second strategy is a WH question. We have 3 questions. For example, what does Alex do in the school? Where he goes at the 5:15, and who lives with him? In the note, say the student read the article for 10 minutes. This information is in the article, not in other place. All is in the article. And the final strategy, you can use 2 or 4 questions. He leaves his home at the 7:45, and he goes home at the 6 o'clock. You need to read again until you find in your mind if it's true or false. Yeah? In the final, you can use the game. For example, this, but in this case, my partner explained that.
After reading the test, we're going to play a game, and we have 2 examples. The objective of this game is the students can learn the vocabulary about the habits, and the schedules, it's the hours. So for the first game, we're going to use the cards and then writing the habits and the hours. And the students will have to make a match between the habits and the hours. And in the second game, we're going to use the cards and a clock. In this game, we only use the cards with the habits and no, sorry, with the hour, and the students will going to mark in the clock. After he mark in the clock, he going to say activity he can do in that time. Those activities about the speed, the vocabulary, and the congress between the partners are formed.